That $86 could go towards my facial, my massage, my nails, something else. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Fabulous Flourishing, Faith having fun, and I'm back for another video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so when I post new videos you won't miss any of them. With that being said, let's hop into this vlog. What's up, you guys? If you don't already know me or haven't been watching my channel or staying up to date with my socials, I'm getting married, and today officially makes 2 weeks away from my wedding. So I decided to take y'all along with me today to do some errands that I have to do for the wedding and get stuff ready for the honeymoon and stuff. So I decided to take y'all. We just got an Amazon package and it's something for the honeymoon. I bought another swimsuit for our honeymoon, but I am getting ready to do stuff, run some errands, pick up some last minute things that I need for the upcoming wedding. So I decided to take you guys along on the journey with me. And so let's get right into it. So first things first, I already took my shower, did my skincare. I'm waiting on my clothes to finish drying in the dryer. So I decided to go ahead and refresh my hair. I got it in these mini braids that I did them last week, and no, I did not record a tutorial. Sorry about that. If I do them again, I'll definitely try to make sure I record a tutorial. But I'm gonna kind of just re-liven up the ends so they can be a bit more curlier, and then put them back into a ponytail. And then I'm gonna show y'all the to-do list for the day, and then we are gonna get the day going. Okay, you guys, I have finished my hair. Now I'm going to show you guys my to-do list for today. We're going to get the clothes on. Now it's a little bit later in the day. I might still go get coffee. I might not, but we'll see how I'm feeling. I probably will because I'm just a coffee girl. So let's get into what the to-do list is for today, and let's get going. Okay, so I am finally in the car. It's currently 3 p.m. so I'm not feeling a coffee run anymore necessarily. And the Joann's, the closest Joann's that's near me is like 30 minutes away. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead to Joann's first, and then maybe get a quick bite to eat or like something good to drink, and then we'll reevaluate. So first stop, Joann's, and then I can definitely go to like Target later. That's where I'm going to pick up most of the items, and Target closes late, like 8 or 9 or 10 at night, so I can definitely hit up those later. But Joann's is the first mission and the most important mission, so let's head to Joann's. Alright, you guys, I just made it to Joann's. We're gonna hopefully return the fabric that I already brought. I don't really know the return policy on fabric at Joann's, so hopefully I can return it because it was pricey. And then we're gonna see if I can find some new fabric. If not, all this fails, I'm gonna just have to order what I think I need off Amazon. So let's go ahead and head into Joann's. Okay, you guys, I survived the fabric run. I was able to return the fabric, thankfully, because it was $86 for those fabrics for me to not be able to use them. And that $86 could go towards my facial, my massage, my nails, something else. So I'm glad I'm getting that money back. But I've been in Joann's for a minute, y'all. Like, it is 4:16 now. So I'm going to this place called Sips and Dips in Charlotte. It's like a cool little drink customization shop where you can get like different flavors in your drink. And I think I'm gonna get some pretzel bites, and then I'm gonna head to the nail salon because I just want them to soak off the little bit of acrylic that's left on my fingers, so when I get my nails done for my wedding I don't have to worry about that. And then I'm gonna get a pedicure, but I'm not gonna get any polish. I really just want to dip my toes in for them to take the polish off and that's it. And then after that, I'm going to Target, and hopefully that's the last stop. So let's head to Sips and Dips in Charlotte. All right, good peeps, we've made it to Sips and Dips. So I'm gonna go get my drink and my snack, and then we're gonna head right to the nail salon, okay?
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, die that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Okay, you guys, I got my drink. I got the Hit Me Baby One More Time. It's basically like a cherry vanilla Coke and with vanilla cream, and it's so good. I got my pretzel bites. Can't forget. Wow, this is the first time that I don't really have hand sanitizer in my purse, so Lord, make sure my hands are clean. In Jesus' name, amen. These are my pretzel bites. Looks so good. Here's my drink. Okay, so I'm sitting outside for now. Oh my gosh, y'all, the bees, I can't. This is what I don't do outside. It's too many. It's too many. I'm trying to enjoy my little snacky snack, but I might go to the car to enjoy it. But I am gonna eat some of my pretzel bites, and then I found this. I just randomly saw this nail shop across the street that I'm gonna go to get my acrylic soaked off, like I was telling y'all, and just get a basic pedicure. And then we're gonna hit the Target and then go back home. I don't think I'm gonna cook tonight. Just not really giving. Ooh, these pretzel bites are so good. But I'm kind of feeling tacos. Like I always feel tacos once out of the week. So I'm gonna see if Bae wouldn't go get tacos with me. And then if not, well, we'll see. But pretzel bites, nail salon, Target. I guess while I'm sitting here, I can give y'all a little wedding update. Like I said, it's 2 weeks away. All my vendors have been paid. I think everything was planned for the most part. I did a lot of planning back in January of this year. So I think that's when I knocked out the bulk of my planning. So like I said, everything is paid. I've done my dress fittings. My fiance has his tux. My bridal party has all what they're wearing together and stuff. The last things I'm kind of planning out right now is the rehearsal dinner the night before. I really want it to be straight to the point. I don't really want it to be a family function, like, oh, we're catching up, like, not that day. I really want it to be straight to the point because I'm having a small, intimate bridal party. It's just me, my fiance, his best man, my matron of honor, and then my niece as my flower girl, and his little brother as his ring bearer. And that's really it as far as how many people is in the actual bridal party. So I don't feel the need to have this big elaborate reception or whatever, but I do want everybody to like know what's going on just so they can know. So that's that. I'm going home next weekend to like do last minute touches for the wedding planning, but I think overall I'm pretty much done. I got my shoes, my hair appointments made. I booked me a massage, honey. I'm debating if I want to book me a facial, but the big stuff is out of the way. So I'm really ready to just sit back, relax, and enjoy these next 2 weeks, if you know what I mean. Some other little small things I have to do is like make sure we hold our mail, so like we won't get piles and piles of mail when we come back, or like nobody won't steal any of our packages if we have any packages coming. So hold the mail. I gotta order my contacts because I'm not planning on wearing my glasses my wedding day, so I gotta make sure I have my contacts. I have some trial pairs, but I just want to make sure I have enough, and especially if I want to take someone on a honeymoon with me. But I typically just wear my glasses. But order some more contacts. I'm going to be sending out like a photo reminder to people that I want to have to take photos in my wedding the day of. I'm going to send like a text reminder like, hey, you're part of the people I want to be in my formal photos. 10 minutes after the ceremony, head outside so we can take pictures, because I feel like bridal photos and just wedding party photos, they just take too long. So I feel like this would kind of alleviate the time frame by sending everybody kind of like staggered times of when they need to be walking outside to take photos, so we're not there all day. I paid for our hotels that we're going to be staying in, and I made the travel arrangements. So like I said, I think for everything that I can think of that's major wise is handled for the most part. I'm sure it's something I'm forgetting, but at this point, who cares? What's up, you guys? The lighting is lighting. The sun is hitting me at a different angle right now. But anyways, I'm finally headed to Target to pick up those things off my list, just like some toiletries and stuff like that I might need. And then if things are still open, if places are still open, I will head to like a shoe store maybe, just to find some like cute comfy sandals for me to wear after the ceremony. But if not, I might just wear the same shoes all night, or not really care about what shoes I do wear. Alrighty, you guys, we have made it to Target. So let's try to get what I said I was gonna get and nothing else. Oh, sure.
Hi. Hi. Your camera looks amazing. I know.
Thank you.
Real nice.
Thank you. Oh, I love when people want to be in my vlog. Okay, you guys, I had to switch to my phone because my camera died, but I am pretty much done shopping at Target. I'm gonna stand in the aisle and see if I can clip some coupons off the Target app, but this is pretty much it. I'm gonna flip my camera and show you what I got, and then we're headed to checkout. I feel like when you come in Target, you need like an accountability partner, because ain't no way I came in for like 6 things. Ain't no way. Okay, now I'm going to the shoe section. I'm hoping this will be my last stop because I'm tired. It took me a minute, but I found the shoe section and it's giving a little skimpy. Okay, so I did not find any comfy white shoes, so we are still on the hunt for those, but everything else has been checked off the list, and now I'm for sure heading to checkout. Alrighty, you guys, that is it for today's little vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me as I did some shopping 2 weeks out from my wedding, just some kind of sprucing up things that I needed, or some last minute things that I might needed, and just some things that I needed to do. So I hope y'all like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one, because I'll be married by then. So I hope y'all like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one, because over here we're fabulous, flourishing, and having fun. Bye.